got five stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be finally getting my hair retwisted. I have not gotten my hair retwisted. So it's April 3rd. I haven't got my hair retwisted since November. So that's about 5-6 months. It was the end of November, and that includes me like actually going in and doing it myself. So, and I don't know when's the last time I actually been to the shop to get it retwisted. Excuse me. So I definitely have a lot of new growth for sure. So today I'm going to be getting a detox, wash, retwist, and style. If I can, I was going to get them all dyed back black, but yeah. But I messaged my my loctician, but she didn't message me back. So let's see how that goes. I'm about to go in here and talk to her. The main thing I for sure need is this detox because I've been wearing nothing but the wigs and stuff, as y'all seen. So if you follow me on my Instagram or you just know me in person, so okay. Get your view. Look, is it recording?
Are you gonna shake it one time? Yeah. So boom. Like that? Okay.
Okay, here's the finished product. We have a nice bun. I have these, I'm gonna put these up for work, but that's it. Here's my retwist that you already seen, and I love it. We back, we're back, yes. So I'm over a year locked now, and I'll be coming up on 2 years in October of this year. And I've made a lot of progress, so I'm excited. I'll be having a break from my wigs for a while now. I've reached my goal of having a break from retwisting and letting it just do their thing. So yeah, it feels good. I can feel my scalp, all of that. Like, it's amazing.